In 1519, there was a Spanish guy named Hernan Cortes. He went on a mission along with his army of 500 soldiers to conquer an island. But on reaching there, they saw an even bigger and stronger army to fight. His soldiers got scared and thought of running back, but Hernan ordered to burn the boats. This way, soldiers only had the option to give their best fight or die. And guess what? His army won the battle. What we learn from this is that if we burn the boats, we can give our best fight for camp preparation. Your boat can be anything, as simple as you giving up on eating your favorite food till the time you don't get your best possible score at. All the best. Keep fighting.